Hello children, I'm your English ma'am speaking. In the last session, we have seen an interesting story, The Missing Trinkets. Today we are going to see the balance part of the lesson, Missing Trinkets, part 4. Before that, let's we have a quick recap of yesterday's session, children. As you know very well, rules for plurals. Adding s, adding es, adding ies, adding ves. See, when we have to add s, most nouns simply add s. Ball, balls, cat, cats. For most nouns that end in a vowel plus y, add s. So you know very well, the word end with y. Before that we have a vowel sound. We are using s. Boys, adding es. As you know very well, the word end with sh sound. CH, SH, S, SS, X, Z sound. If it is, we are adding ES. For example, fox, foxes. Dish, dishes. Dress, dresses. Add IES. For most nouns that end in a consonant plus Y, add IES. Boy, boys. Fly, flies. Add VES. For most nouns that end in F or FE, we are adding VS. Example, leaf, leaves. Knife, knives. Now we have some examples for these children. Repeat these words after me. Army, armies. City, cities. Duty, duties. Now spell the word D-U-T-Y, duty, D-U-T-I-E-S, duties. Family, families. F-A-M-I-L-Y, family. F-A-M-I-L-I-E-S, families. Pony, P-O-N-Y, pony, ponies. P-O-N-I-E-S, ponies. Penny, pennies. P-E-N-N-Y, penny. Pennies, pennies. Daisy, daisies. D-A-I-S-I-E-S, daisies. Baby, B-A-B-Y, baby, babies. B-A-B-I-E-S, babies. Country, C-O-U-N-T-R-Y, country, countries. C-O-U-N-T-R-I-E-S, countries. Fly, flies. Lady, ladies. Reply, R-E-P-L-Y, reply, replies. R-E-P-L-I-E-S, replies. Spy, spies. S-P-I-E-S, spies. Gallery, galleries. G-A-L-L-E-R-I-E-S, galleries. There are some plural nouns ending in F. Change the F to V and add VES. You know very well. This is the second rule of plural nouns. See this. Singular, plural. Half. H-A-L-F, half. H-A-L-V-E-S, halves. Loaf. L-O-A-F, loaf. L-O-A-V-E-S, loaves. If. E-L-F, if. Elves, E-L-V-E-S, elves. Leaf, L-E-A-F, leaf. L-E-A-B-S, leaves. Shelf, self, selves. S-E-L-V-S, selves. This is shelf. S-H-E-L-S, E-L-F, shelf. Shelves. Thief, thieves. Wolf, wolves. Okay, V-E-S we are adding. Now here is the activity for you children. You can think and write this in this page. Close your eyes for a few minutes. Visualize a walk around your neighborhood. This could be your home or your school. Identify people, places, animals and things you that usually see. In about 75 to 100 words, write a paragraph describing the scenes surrounding you. So you can use your notebook also. See, they have given one example. One passage they have given. Just I can read this for you. My neighborhood is a lovely place. There is a temple, two churches, and a pond near my house. Here you can notify this churches. They are using this plural noun. I live in an apartment. There are many dogs and cats around me. Here also dogs, cats, plural form of nouns. We also have many trees with huge branches and green leaves. Okay, they are using here plural form of nouns, branches and leaves. Likewise, you have to think about one place. So here they think about the neighborhood. You may think about your school. Think about your school, or you may think about your home also. Write 4 or 5 lines. Use and try to use the plural form of nouns in your passage. This is your homework, children. You have to write this in your book, page number this one. In this page you have to write. What do you like about your neighborhood? Why do you like living in it? So you have to reflect for this question also. Okay, do this homework, children, at your home. Now here is a rules for you. What are they? Regular nouns add s. We know very well we are adding s. Car, if it is one, we are adding we. If more than one, we are adding s. Cars. Dog, dogs. Book, books. House, houses. Apple, apples. Now here is an exception for you, children. Okay, what are they? Yes, deer, deer. Sheep, sheep. So for that we should not add yes. The plural form of these words has to be the same word. We should not add s. So this is the exception for the first rule, adding s. And this is the second rule, adding es. The word end with ish sound. Bus, buses. Match, matches. Dish, dishes. Box, boxes. Quiz, quizzes. So we are adding here es. Now there is exception for this rule also. Oasis. What is this word? Oasis. What is the meaning for this word, children? Which means it is a fertile area in a desert. As you know very well, desert is a dry area. In that place, which place we are considered as a fertile area, that place is known as oasis. So the plural form for this is oasis. Oasis. Next, thesis. What is the meaning for this word thesis? It's a statement or a theory. Thesis. Thesis. We are adding es. Now, next rule. Ends in consonant plus y. We are removing y and we are adding here ies. As you know very well, city, the word end with y. Before that we have a consonant word t. Cities. So we are dropping y and write here ies, cities. Baby, babies. Story, stories. Party, parties. Country, countries, adding ies. Okay, children. Now here is an exception for this. Keep in your mind the word end with vowels plus y. Now you can notify here day, day, day. A is a vowel, so that we are adding here s. What we are adding here s. Day, day, day. Days, days, days. Likewise, ski. E is a vowel sound and vowel, and we are adding here s. Keys. Keys, keys. Boy. O is a vowel. We are adding here boys. Boys, boys. Come on, children. Repeat after me. Guy. Guy, guy. So U is a vowel. Here we are adding guys. Guys, guys. Donkey. E is a vowel. So we are adding here as donkeys. Holiday. A is a vowel. Now we are adding S. So here we should not drop Y and we should not change into IES. We just add only S because this word ends with vowels. Okay. This is the exception for this. Next one. You know very well the fourth rule ends in F or FE. So what we are adding? We are dropping F, FE and we are adding it VES. Example, leaf, leaves, wolf, wolves, WOLVES, wolves. Life, lives, LIVES, lives. Knife, KNIVES, knives. Now exception for this, chief, chiefs. Here we should not drop F and we should not add VES. We add only S. Roof, roofs, adding S. Cliff, cliffs, adding only S. Chef, chef you can see it in a hotel. Chef, chefs, we are adding here S. So this is the exception for the rule 4. Hope you understand this, children. Okay. Now ends in vowel plus O, we are adding S. You know the word end with O. Before that the word should be vowel. For that we are adding S. Zoo, zoos, ZOOS, zoos. Radio, radios, RADIOS, radios. Stereo, stereos, STEREOS, stereos. Video, videos, we are adding S. Kangaroo, kangaroos, we are adding S. Now ends in consonant plus O, we are adding ES. Keep in your mind, see this, R is a consonant. So if it is a consonant sound, we should add ES. Hero, heroes, HEROES, heroes. Echo, echoes, ECHOES, echoes. Tomato, tomatoes, ES. Potato, potatoes, POTATOES, potatoes. So exception for this is piano, we are adding only S, pianos. Photo, we are adding only S, photo. So these words are exception in this. Okay, children. Now here is a exercise for you. Complete the concept map by filling in ways to form plural nouns. One example of each an exception, if any. You may go book to figure. So in this page you have to notice 5. So first you have to, they have given this rules. Rule ends in S. Rule 2 ends in ES. Rule 3 ends in IES, ends in VES. You know very well. Hope you all understand these and try to write this in your book, children. Okay. Then you can check your answer here. Noun plus S, that is the first one, forming the plural. Example for this is disc, discs, or pen, pens, pencil, pencils. That is your wish. Exception, yes, very good. Dear, dear. So we should not add yet S. This is the exception for this. And next one, noun plus ES is the second rule. Example, box, boxes, bunch, bunches, bench, benches. So likewise you have to know the word end with ish sound. Exception for this, yes, oasis, oasis. Okay, this is the exception for this. Next rule is rule 3rd, noun Y plus ing. We are dropping Y and we are adding here IES. Baby, babies. So we are dropping Y and we are adding here IES. Exception for this, very good. Holiday, holidays. We should not drop here Y and we should not add IES. We are adding only yes because this is a vowel. Okay. Next, 4th rule, noun F plus VES. So dropping F and we are adding VS. Thief, thieves. Exception for this, chief, chiefs. Okay, children. Here is exercise for you. This is in your companion, page number 15. Match each word given in the thinking organizer with the plural ending that it takes. One has been done for you. See, you have to color. What color it is here? ES. Which word ends with ES, that you have to choose, and you can color it orange. Likewise, VES. You should color this word VES, which means which word is changed into VES. That word you have to color it green. Yes. Which word we can add S? For that words you can color pink. Pink color you can use and color it. Now last one, IES. This you can color it in yellow color. Okay. So you can think and write color according to the category. Okay, children. Next, there is another work for you. See, it is a farm. What you can see here, it is a farmhouse. So here in this farmhouse we can see many animals and birds. So what are the animals and birds you can notify here, that you can write in the noun column, and you can write the plural form for that. Some nouns have been labeled for you. List each and its plural form. Okay, children. Now this is the answer. Cloud. What is the plural form for cloud? Clouds. Very good. Next. Tree. What is the plural form for tree? Trees. Very good, children. Next. Horse. Plural form for horses? Horses. Goat. Goats. Grass. Grasses. Cow. Cows. Lily. Lilies. We are dropping Y and we are adding here IES. Hoof. Hoofs. Dropping F and we are adding VS. Rooster. Roosters. Adding S. Tractor. Tractors. Farmhouse. Farmhouses. Pig. Pigs. Duck. Ducks. So write this answer in your companion book, children. Now here is a crossword puzzle for you. Use the following clues to find the nouns in the word puzzle. Circle each noun. Across. Books are kept on this. So you can think and circle here. So where you can keep your books? Yes, you can keep it on the shelf. So circle it. Name of a baby cow. What is the name of a baby cow? Yes, very good. Calf. Where is calf here? Yeah, here it is. So you can circle here. Calf. 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 Now down. The tree. Green part of a tree. What is the green part of the tree we are called? Very good, children. Branch. You can find where is branch here, and you can circle it. A wild animal that harps. Which wild animal can harp, children? Very good. Fox. Do you find fox here? You can circle it. Now, write a plural form of each noun that you identify in the word bus. In the word bus, you can identify. I told you the answer, no? You circle in that word bus that you can identify. Write a complete sentence using each noun. Using that word, you can create your sentence. Okay, children? Now, what is the plural noun? Shelf. Shelf plural is shelves. We are dropping here F and we are adding VS. So for this shelves, we have to create the sentence. There are many shelves in my house. Or you can create some other sentence also, that is your wish. Next, what is another word we can see here? Yes, leaf. L-E-A-F, leaf. Plural form, leaves. Dropping here F, adding VS, leaves. You can create a sentence using leaves. Leaves prepare food for the plants. or leaves are green in color. Okay, so likewise you can create your own sentence. Third word is calf. CALF, calf. Calves. CALVES, calves. So you can create sentence using the word calves. I can see many calves near my house. Or you can write, the calves are very beautiful. The calves are playing in the park or in the farm. So you can create whatever sentence that is your wish, children. Okay. Now, wolf. WOLF, wolf. Plural form, wolves. WOLVS, wolves. So you can create sentence. The wolves are howling in the forest. So it is making some sound, howling in the forest. Okay, or you can write, wolves are wild animals. Wolves are dangerous animals. So like that you can write. Now fifth plural noun is knife. Knives. We are dropping FE. We are adding VS. Knives. So create the sentence. The knives are used to cut vegetables. So we can use knives to cut vegetables. Not only vegetables, fruits. So whatever it may be. So we can use that knife. Thank you, children. I hope this session went well. I need everyone should write the answer in your notebooks and write 3 times or 5 times in your rough note, children. Okay? Thank you, children. Meet you in the next session.